Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you what happens when you drink 1 glass of coconut water every day. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. We all know healthy habits lead to healthy life. One of our viewers shares with us her experience of what happened when she had coconut water every day. Here is her account. I was often scolded by not only my parents but even my friends for my unhealthy eating habit. Honestly, I never paid any heed to my eating habits or my sleeping pattern. It was probably because I never had weight issues. I have always been lean, and it is a fact that unless we have body fat, we don't worry about our eating habit. But the moment I shifted to a new city for work, things started to change. I started to fall sick more often, and in my rush to reach work on time, I was often skipping breakfast and ate whatever I could find at the workplace. It would often be packaged oats, a banana, or simply a cup of coffee. Coffee was my favorite, so I tried to have it every day before leaving for work. Things were going great until after a month I started feeling dizzy and weak. I was clueless why it was happening, so I simply started popping multivitamins and iron capsule. I knew it was important for me to have something before leaving for work, and so one day as I left for work, I happened to stop by a roadside coconut seller. He was small chilled and did not seem to be in a good condition. I felt bad and bought one coconut from him. Maybe I would have resisted myself from buying it, but back home my mother often forced me to have coconut water every day. In fact, a vendor used to deliver 3 coconuts at our place every day. Sometimes I had it and sometimes I did not. I knew it was healthy, but somehow I did not like the taste of it. The next day when I was on my way to work, the same kid waved at me, wanting me to buy from him again, and so I did. I didn't realize before it became a routine for me. I would buy the coconut and sip it all the way to work. Did I mention I had also started walking to my office instead of taking a rickshaw? This healthy habit thankfully stuck by me, and on days I could not buy it, I would feel like something was missing. I started to feel the positive benefits of having coconut water daily within a week. My bowel movement got regulated and I would often wake up fresh. Also, I was not reaching work on empty stomach anymore. Coconut water encouraged me to make healthy choices generally too. The most noteworthy change was that I stopped having coffee on an empty stomach, and it was a big positive change for me. Coconut water also resolved my problem of acid reflux, which I used to face often. Sailing through the summer season also became easy because coconut water did not make me feel the need to drink glucose or electrol after I was out in a hot sunny afternoon. Now it has been more than 6 months and there has not been a single day when I have missed my wonder drink, and I can say it is one of the healthiest drinks, so do not miss it. I will give you the links of 5 best coconut water in the description. You can buy from amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.